In our everyday life, we face same problems repeatedly. Can't fall asleep again after nighttime bathroom. The solutions is easy, simply have a Chunace toilet light ready in the bathroom. Let us check this out. Short press the button at any time, the LED will stay on for 2 minutes, which can be used as emergency lighting. Chunace toilet light has 5-stage dimmer, set your ideal level of brightness as you want. Easily hook the flexible arm on the bowl. The motion sensor should face away from the toilet, and towards the entry of the door. 16 LED colors changing or fix your desired one. Makes great fun for potty training during nighttime. Easy to clean, safe to use. Works well with any toilet. The motion sensor only works in low brightness, like at night. As light sensor will shut off the LED when it detect environment is bright enough for max battery life. Come and get a Chunace toilet night light. Special gadget, cool decoration. Happy memories. See you soon. Bye.